guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the old temperature gauge with this new temperature gauge on my 51 Chevy pickup. So yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is get this right here that goes into the block right there. Got to get it through the firewall. So let me climb up in here and see if I can find a good hole to put it through. Oh boy. Okay, I like this one. Yeah, there, no. Okay, very good. Got. Now, I hear coolant. That sounds great. Okay, so now we got this. Now I gotta find some what is it called? Some white stuff to put around these threads so we can get it nice into the block. All right, y'all, I'm back. I got some thread sealant, high temperature. Should be good, but we're gonna take some of this line here. We got down here. Got our stuff here. Make sure it still works. Oh boy, we do not have a lot. There, oh boy. This is like very watery. There we go. Ooh, oh damn, I got it on my skin, damn it. God damn it. Try to get that stuff off. Should be enough, right? Oh, sick, Dad's home, let's go. Alrighty. No, I just got it more on my skin. Okay, got it. Nice and good stuff. I don't really forget if this is the one. Yep. Okay. So now we're just gonna stick this down in the block with right now there's coolant. So I don't know if this thread stuff will work. I guess we're about to find out. So let me zoom in. So of course that bar's right there. Maybe if I get it a little lower. Okay, you know, that was work for y'all. Okay, should I go below the bar or above? I'm gonna go above the bar. If I cross-thread this is not gonna be good. But guess what? I'm a champion. I do not cross-thread anything. Ah, shit, got it on my fingers again. Okay, so it's in. Get a good shot. Right there it is. Right there's the lovely 40 bucks I spent. Okay. I'm just trying to get it from. Ooh, perfect. Perfect. Sits right there. So now we're just gonna tighten it. We should be good to go. Oh boy. One more good little tug. Okay, well, can I just like that something? That's tight. That is nice and tight. Okay. So now let me get it one more time. Throw my shoulder out. Okay, so this in here is good. Now I will sit y'all over here on the other side. we are back, baby. Should be good. Good to go. Oh yeah, I mean look at that. It looks sick. Actually, it does kind of look sick. Black, white, and black. That does not look that bad. Okay, so here's the hard part. I gotta figure out here. Okay, so, ouch. I think I gotta put it on like this. Oh boy, this is rough. Mamacita. Get in there. Then you get in there over there. There we go. Okay. 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 Ouch. Now grab me a washer and a thingy. Oh. Uh-oh. That is one. Okay. Ouch. You gotta be shitting me. Oh no. Where'd the washer go? Oh, it's way over there. Okay. Literally. Oh my gosh. This is bad. Of course, this floor in this truck is dirty. Has like a bunch of dirt crap in it. So. Okay. Goddamn, dude, my rib cage is getting a beating. Okay, I got one started. Oh my Lana, it is hot in here, especially since it's light. It's like on old school light bulbs. So I'm sweating bad. Oh. Ah. Oh. I'm definitely getting the impact to put this suckers in. Okay. All right. Oh. Oh. There's literally puddles over here on the seat. Oh, my sweat. Okay, now I just gotta figure out. Okay, so I got my little wrench here. 5/16. Need a 5/16. So 11/32. What do I need? 5/16. 9/16. There's a 3/16. So it's right here. Should be it. That's in a quarter. There's a 1/32. Should be this one. 5, 6, tight. Okay, let me actually. This one's probably in there. I think I should get a deep well. There we go. Okay, make sure it's on tightening, because if I'm loosening, I will kill. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Trying to go to Blue Suede this year. It's coming up in a week or two, and I'm grinding to get this thing done because I want to take it down the track at Norwalk and try to get this truck a new record. Right now my fastest pass is 22 seconds at 53 miles an hour. And with the new modifications I did, air cleaner, shorter shifter, exhaust, we took it on the highway once and we got it up to 65 miles an hour on 77 South. So we should definitely be able to get a pass. Just get nice and snug. Okay, let's see how she looks. Now, what the? Why is it crooked? Give me a second. Oh, nice. I tightened it pretty good. No problem. Okay. Good nuts. That's rough. Side note, 93 degrees in the shop. Got a little sweaty. Looks like some of it dried up already. Yeah. Yep, I would definitely say it's at least 100 degrees in the cab. Now, I'll see y'all out on the ride. All right, so this is the final result. Ben's been sitting out here for a bit. Been holding 180 for a while. I'm probably gonna shut it off eventually and check antifreeze again, make sure it's flushed good. So yeah, I think our project and job here is done. Thank y'all for watching today's channel. Me and Dad's probably go for a ride, make sure it's all nice and good. Probably make a YouTube short about it. I don't know. Make sure you like, subscribe for more content like this. I'll see y'all on the next one. And also, happy 4th of July. See y'all next.